Hey guys, today I'm going to show you what to look out for on your Seadoo to prevent it from sinking from a failed carbon ring. I'm also going to show you what to look for in your jet pump that causes performance issues and cavitation. The 2019 RXTX 300 we have here today was taken on water, and the only visible sign was a grayish color residue on the supercharger inlet hose and an excessive amount of water in the hull. Check out my description and Ket.co page for any products, tools, and accessories I recommend and use in my videos. When you're inspecting your carbon ring, you should not be able to put a screwdriver in between the chrome metal hat and carbon ring like I'm showing in the video here. There should be firm pressure from the rubber bellows pushing the carbon ring against the chrome metal hat piece. If there's too much clearance, then it is likely that the carbon ring is failing. We're going to get started on getting this all apart. Before you remove the pump, make sure you disengage the exhaust water box, remove the supercharger and hoses, and pull the C-clip retaining the drive shaft to the chrome metal hat piece. Start by raising the IBR bucket to full raise position in IBR override mode, then remove the steering nozzle with pivot bracket. Next, remove the IBR bucket, pivot, and arm bolts. Now you can remove the reduction nozzle and whole jet pump. What you're going to be looking for is cavitation burns, impeller nicks, bends, and any debris stuck in the pump. This impeller and wear ring had bad cavitation burns on both. Although the impeller was able to be cleaned up, it was not worth reusing, so both got replaced with new. Here is a closer look at the cavitation burns on the wear ring. If you see this, it should be replaced. Once I got the carbon ring out, I found there was nothing left of the beveled face of it, and the drive shaft had rubbed the inside diameter of it. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please take a moment and do so. I have a lot more videos to come. This is a reassembled jet pump with all new OEM Wear Ring and Solas 3-blade impeller. Just make sure the impeller spins freely before reinstalling the pump and the ski. It's really satisfying to look at the finished pump, especially with a new OEM Wear Ring and stainless impeller. In order to prevent corrosion and strip splines, you should always apply triple guard grease on your drive shaft and impeller splines. Make sure there is a sufficient amount of Seadoo grease in the cone and on the face of the bearing, then apply blue Loctite on the bolts and torque the cone on the pump. This is what the updated carbon ring and bellows assembly looks like installed. Notice how the carbon ring is enclosed in the bellows, and there are metal rings reinforcing the bellows. When it was first installed, it looked a little unusual that the drive shaft flap was laying on top of the bellows or tucked into the bellows. Just to let you know that once the drive shaft is installed, this is what it looks like. When the bellows is compressed, there's about 1 mm clearance between the flap and bellows. One other problem the excess water in the hull caused was the installed depth finder had broken away from the hull. I used 2-part epoxy to reattach it to the hull floor and Permatex Right Stuff to seal the repair. After getting this powerhouse back together, I couldn't wait to get it on the water for a lake test. When I took the ski out myself, I hit a top speed of 73 miles per hour. That was very impressive for this size of ski. When you get the repairs done right on your carbon ring and jet pump, this is how your ski should perform. Since this is my buddy's ski, as you can see here in this part of the video, he's giving the ski a couple of real full throttle runs. If you look close enough, I'm sure you can see the smile on his face. Just wanted to finish with a couple of great shots of this ski, and if you're in the southeast like we are, it's time to put the ski up for the winter. If you enjoyed this video or just found it helpful, please smash the like button. Subscribe to my channel to see more cool videos like this one, and I'll see you in the next video.